hold your mind. They wanna control mankind. Seems like their only intention is to exploit the earth. Hey, and you trust in their deceit. Your mind causes your defeat, and so you become an invention to distort the search. Propaganda and lies is a plague in our lives.